piano.
You have your piano class. What time is your piano class? What time is your piano class?
In 7.
7?
Yeah.
Very early.
I,
Very early? You have piano class very early? Very early. Piano class very early?
yeah.
Okay, so today, teacher will show you the lesson. Are you ready, Kate? Oh, where are you?
Yes.
Where are you, my Kate? Go, Kate. Okay, show me your video, your camera. I want to see your camera. Okay, so we have here, Kate, the 10. Okay, at our school. Oh, you go to school already.
Our
Very good.
school.
Yes, at our school.
Board.
Okay, so we have here board.
Board.
And we have the
Map.
map.
Board.
Oh,
This.
that one. That's a board. Okay. And you have a map.
Map.
The map. Okay. Board. You have the map. You have the rubber. You have the rubber. Okay, rubber, it's eraser. Rubber is also eraser. Okay.
Eraser.
Yeah, it's eraser.
Rubber.
Do you have rubber?
Okay.
Yeah, that one. That's a rubber. Okay, next one. You have page. Okay, page of the book. You have page of the book. Page. Next, you have check. 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 It's not tick. It's not tick. It's check. 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 Yes, correct. And point.
Point.
I point.
Point.
That is point. Okay,
Point.
next one. We have bottom. Okay.
Bottom.
Where is the chicken? It's in the bottom. Okay. Where is the river?
Road.
The road. Okay. The river and the road, Kate. Okay. Another Kate. We have the, okay, mistakes. We have mistakes. Okay. I have mistakes. What is your mistakes? Oh, my mistake is I forgot to bring money. Oh, that is my mistakes. Okay, my mistakes.
Mistake.
Okay, next one. We have
Different.
okay, different. Okay, it's different. Not the same. It's different, not the same.
Different. This.
Let me see.
This. Orange. This. Purple.
Ah, yeah, it's different color. The color is different. Okay. Color, different color. Okay.
Correct.
Okay, correct. Correct. Okay. Check and correct. Past simple. Look at this, huh? Look at Kate. Infinitive, we have here visit. You make it past tense. How will you do it? You will gonna put ed, the visited. Visited. Okay, visited. Enjoy. What you will do, Kate? Enjoyed. You add ed. Enjoyed. Okay. Next, Kate. Study. What you will gonna do with study? You will gonna have started. Started. Okay. Next, you have your stopped. Stopped. You will have, it's not stopped. It's stopped. 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 Okay, this one. Bath. 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 Okay, next one. Commit. It's committed. Committed. Okay, again, read first. Visited.
Visited.
Loved.
Loved.
enjoyed, studied, bat,
Studying.
stopped, stopped,
Not
bat,
bad.
committed. Okay,
Commit.
very good. Yes, okay. Write the past form of the verbs below. Here, example. Looked. Okay, you write now. Go. Right here, right here. Here. Right.
Okay.
Go, Kate. You can do it, Kate.
Love it. Love it. Yes. Like it. Tall. Teacher answer.
Correct.
And
Danced.
So you go to okay.
Okay. Okay, so we have here loved. Okay, next, liked. Very good, Kate. Next, Kate. Talked. Next, Kate. Danced. Answered. Very good, Kate. Okay, don't erase your answer. Do not erase your answer. Okay, went. Past tense, went. Get, got.
When
Oh, went is the past tense, huh? See, what is the past tense of see? It's saw. Oh, run. No, it's saw. It's not saw. It's not saw. It's saw. Saw. Okay, run. Past tense. The same. Drink. What is the past tense of drink? Drunk.
Drunk.
Eat.
Ate.
Ate. Okay, yay. Very good, Kate. Okay, this one, Kate. Okay. So, okay. Okay, please remember, huh? Go, went, get, got, see, saw, run, drink, drunk, eat, ate. Okay, B. Okay. Okay, you answer again. You answer again. Think, thought. Oh,
Thought.
very good.
Thought.
Think, thought. Okay.
Sat.
Okay, go. Answer again. Answer again. Okay, let me see if you, this one only. You answer, no, sorry. You answer this one only, this one.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, went, got, very good, Kate. Okay, great job. Yay. Okay, so I will send it to your mom. Wait me, ha. Very good. Eighth class. Very good, Kate. Wait me, Kate. Okay, I will continue. Let's continue. Okay, another one. Okay, so when to next. Okay, so here, please try to answers
What?
the correct words below
I
and write them on the
see,
line.
I can.
Oh, you can see now?
No.
Here. And look at again. Okay now?
No.
No? Wait,
Yeah.
I will share again. Okay, this one. Can you see it now?
Okay.
Okay. So please try to choose. What do you think is the correct answer? You write here the answer beside. You choose from the pictures.
This is on the classroom work and teacher write on it. Board. A board. Yeah. Next, they are in books and often have number on them in the bottom. Something to practice and Uh, okay.
Okay, let me see. Board, pages, rubber, checks, maps. Okay, so we have board, pages, rubber, check, and mops. Oh, very good. So this is on the classroom, Kate, wall, and the teacher writes on it. We call it, what do you call that, Kate? We call it a
Oh,
board.
oh,
Okay. So these are in books and often have numbers on them at the bottom. We call it,
pages.
okay, pages. There's pages.
Pages.
When
Pages.
you make a mistake, Kate, with your pencil, you need this. You need to erase. What is
A
that?
rubber. A
The
rubber.
rubber. Okay. Some teachers put this at the end of correct answers in tests. Some
Tick,
teachers put this at the end of
tick,
correct answer in test. It's
tick,
check.
tick,
Okay, sorry. There.
tick.
And we'll look at this to find roads and rivers and towns. What is that?
Ah,
It is?
ah.
It's a maps. It's a maps. Okay, very good. Now look at this. Now read the story again. Write the correct word from A. Next, numbers 1 to 5.
Okay. See. Teacher can help me. You can help me.
Okay, it's hard. Okay, Jess, that's very good. Correct. Number 1 is correct. Do not erase your answer, huh? Kate?
They are
Okay.
about the world longest.
Very exciting. Mr. Skip blank to some orange books. What?
Mr.
Blank.
Key point.
What do you think? Kate?
Point.
Okay, yeah. Go. You're right. You're right.
Okay.
It's very hot in your country, Kate. Today, it's very hot.
Next.
It's very
The
hot.
man in those can
Very
help
good.
you.
The maps in those can help you, or you can
Or
find your
you can
answer on the
find your
internet.
answer on the internet. He
Nick
said
was blank
Nick
because he
was
loved working on computer.
because he Nick was music because the working on the computer. Nick was text. Teacher.
Okay. Oh, happy. Nick was happy because he loved working on computers. That evening, he found all the answer to his Miss Sweet questions in one of his favorite websites. When Miss Sweet came back to school, she blanked about her exciting day. What?
He talked about her exciting day.
He talked. It's not talking, huh? It's talked.
Talk.
Okay, very good, Kate.
Then
You
look
see.
at everyone's
Okay,
homework.
very good. You've got a lot of blank and no crosses. You've got a lot of blank and no crosses, no X.
What great answer to say you have got lot of tick.
Ah, very good. Oh, yeah. Perfect score again. Great job. Wait me. I will check your answer. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. It's 5/5. Very good. Ah, very. Sorry, Kate. Great job, Kate. Wow, I told you you're a smart girl. Okay, smart girl will always have correct answer. Think, thought, sought, right? You understand that? Think, thought, sit, sought. What
Eat,
else?
ate,
Ate. Run,
ran,
see, saw.
saw.
It's not saw, it's saw. Okay, like when I sing, bring. What is bring? Bring is bring.
Drink,
Brought. No. Drink, drunk. Bring, brought.
drank,
I hear. Wait me. I will write. Bring,
drunk,
brought. Okay, now listen and draw the lines. Listen and draw the lines about the different students inside the Classroom. Okay.
Classroom.
We are inside the classroom today. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Sorry, where is
15C. At our school. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
Is this your class? Are these your classmates?
Yes, that's my friend Hugo. He's wearing a red t-shirt today.
He's holding a book. Is it an e-book?
No, but he's got one of those too.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines. 1.
Can you see Jack? He's drawing on the board.
Which boy is he?
He's drawing a camera and he's got jeans on.
Oh, yes, I can see him now.
2.
Look at Alex.
Where's she?
She's sitting at the table.
Is she wearing a blue sweater?
Yes, and a grey skirt. She's a really good friend.
3.
Who's that boy?
Which one?
The boy with the black trousers.
That's Paul. He's taking photos of the boys. Can you see?
Oh, yes.
4.
And which kid do you sit next to in class?
Daisy.
Is she the one on the computer?
No, that's not her. She's playing the guitar.
Oh, yes, I can see her. I love her glasses.
5.
Do you know Fred?
Is he the boy with brown hair at the back of the classroom?
No, he's looking at the train on the wall.
Oh, yes. I can see him now.
Okay. Finish,
No,
Kate?
listen again.
Okay. Yes.
15C. At our school. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
Is this your class? Are these your classmates?
Yes, that's my friend Hugo. He's wearing a red t-shirt today.
He's holding a book. Is it an e-book?
No, but he's got one of those too.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines. 1.
Can you see Jack? He's drawing on the board.
Which boy is he?
He's drawing a
Okay.
camera and he's got jeans on.
Oh, yes, I can see him now.
Okay, so we have here first Jack. What Jack is doing?
Jack is draw in the board on the
In the
board.
wall. Okay, next, how about Alex? What do you think Alex is doing in the picture?
Alex is look at the train picture.
Okay, and how about Paul? What do you think Paul is doing?
Is taking the camera.
Okay, checking it, taking pictures. Taking pictures. How about Daisy? What Daisy is doing?
Daisy playing the guitar.
Daisy is playing the guitar. Okay. And how about Fred? How about Fred?
Huh?
How about Fred? what Fred is doing. Look at Fred. Fred is,
Oh, look at the train.
yes, Fred is looking at the drawing about the train. Very good, yay. Okay, now look at this one. Look, read and write. Okay, the clock shows that it's 2 o'clock. Look at the clock. Can you see the clock? It's 2 o'clock. Okay. What's the boy by the table doing? Look at the boy in the table. What
It's
is
reading a green
reading
book.
a green book? Okay, now, okay, answer this. The boy in the blue shirt is what? Look at the boy in the blue shirt.
Is drawing
Drawing a guitar. How about, there are blue and white squares on? There are blue
Where?
and white square on where?
There are blue and white. Where?
There are blue and white squares on blue and white on where? On the classroom floor. Okay, look at the floor of the classrooms. It's blue and white. Next one, okay. What is the girl with long black hair looking at? What is the girl with long black hair looking at?
Where?
She's looking at the where?
Look at the long black hair.
Yeah. She's looking at
The computer.
computer. Okay, she's looking at the computer. Okay. Now, let me see. It's about website and the train. Okay. What's in the computer?
Boy.
What's the boy with the camera doing?
Is taking photo.
Taking a photo. Very good. Yay, very good, kid. Okay. Now, give me, you write me, huh? Write one sentence about the picture. Write in the text in the chat. Write one sentence about the picture. You write me one sentence about the picture. I will wait.
Right.
Right here in the chat. Right. Okay, write one sentence about the picture. Okay, example, the boy is writing. Example, how you write in the chat.
Okay. With me. The wait. Okay.
Okay, so here. Now, let me see. The girl is playing the guitar. Okay, you put S, huh? There should be S. The girl is, only one girl, playing the guitar. Okay, look at this one. Okay, one. Okay, answer the question of teacher. Okay, how do you come to school, Kate? How do you come to school?
I'm come to school
By motorbike, by a car, what?
by the motorbike. the motorbike.
You come to school by motorbike. Okay. And where do you do your homework? Where do you do your homework?
Is math.
You do your homework in where?
Math. Wait.
Where do you do your homework? You do your homework in where?
This. Teacher.
Yeah. Where do you do? In the school or in the house?
In the house.
In the house. Okay. When do you have English lessons? When do you have English lessons? When? When do you have English lessons? When? When?
What mean? What mean?
When do you have English lessons? When? When? What
When-
time? Okay, for a teacher and it's every day. How
When-
about, yeah,
When the every day.
every day. Okay. What do you like doing most in English? What do you like doing most in English?
Is playing
Playing the what?
the oh no. Watch the TV.
Okay, you love what?
We
Okay, you? What do you like doing in English? You like listening, speaking, reading. What do you like the most?
like watch the TV.
Okay, you all gonna watch TV. Okay, so you love watching TV. Okay. Okay, very good, Kate. Okay, let's move to the next.
See you next time.
See you next time. Okay. Okay, so Kate, teacher Anne will gonna have to continue. Wait, I will have one more lessons. Just a little bit. We still have 5 minutes. Okay, let us finish. Okay, I will ask questions. Okay, so tell me your favorite color.
My
Tell
favorite
me.
my
Yeah.
favorite color are pink.
Colors
Pink
are
are pink and purple.
pink and purple. Okay, tell me about your favorite food.
Huh?
Food.
My favorite food is ice cream. I love
Why do you like ice cream? Why do you like ice cream?
because it's very yum.
But it's very yum. It's very yummy. Okay. It's very yummy. Okay. So what do you think? Why do you think? Or what do you think is your favorite dress?
My favorite
Clothes?
my where my favorite clothes is the shirt and shirt, t-shirt and skirt.
Okay, shirt, t-shirt, and skirt. Wow, that's very nice. What is your most favorite place?
Place.
Yeah, your favorite place. What is your most favorite place?
What mean?
No, place to visit in Vietnam.
Place. Play.
Place.
Play.
Yeah, place. What is your most favorite place?
Nasa?
Most favorite place. Place. In Vietnam, yun lang. Halong Bay? Or what is your most favorite place? Mm. Most favorite place. It is your most favorite place is what? It is Halong Bay?
Halloween?
Halong Bay, your favorite place. Okay, let us have this. What is your most favorite country? Country.
With Long.
Country, your favorite country. Singapore, Vietnam, Philippines, or America, or your favorite country.
Is the
It is? What is that? Okay.
Mm.
What is your most favorite toy? Oh, your most favorite toy. You tell me your most favorite toy. Oh, your favorite toy.
My favorite toy is this wait. Yeah.
You see?
Toy.
What?
Sticker.
You have many stickers. Okay.
Yeah.
Where did you get your stickers?
Get the to me.
Okay. Where did you get your stickers? It's in the
In the
where?
the cupboard.
It's in the cupboard. Okay. What is your most favorite hobby? Oh, your favorite hobby.
Yes.
It is, hobby is dancing. Yeah, I know you
Dancing.
dance. Okay, you're very good at dancing. Okay. So, Kate, teacher Anne will say goodbye and I will see you tomorrow. Okay? Bye, Kate.
Bye, teacher.
Bye-bye.
Oh, bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Where's Cleo? Where's your brother? Your brother.
My brother is playing
Playing? What is your brother playing?
playing soccer.
Wow, your brother is playing soccer. Okay. So, teacher Anne will say goodbye. Bye-bye, Kate.